Two individuals may earn the same income, yet their financial situations differ drastically. One faces monthly challenges, while the other accumulates wealth effortlessly. The key factor is not luck, education, or hard work. It's their mindset regarding money. In this video, you'll explore how wealthy individuals approach money differently. Once you grasp this perspective, your financial choices will transform. Welcome to iMoney Hub 360. Here, we merge money, mindset, AI, and contemporary wealth strategies. Many people spend their lives pursuing money. However, wealthy individuals attract money through their thoughts and actions rather than chasing it. Let's examine the money mindset that distinguishes the wealthy from others. Wealthy individuals perceive money as a tool rather than a goal. A poor mindset desires money primarily to purchase things. Conversely, a wealthy mindset questions, how can I generate more money? For the affluent, money holds no emotional weight. They view it as a tool, akin to a hammer or a machine. They ponder, how can money grow? How can it work for me? How can it create leverage? This change in perspective alters everything. Affluent individuals concentrate on assets instead of merely focusing on income. A poor mindset fixates on earning more. In contrast, a rich mindset emphasizes building assets like businesses, investments, and scalable skills. While income covers bills, assets contribute to wealth creation. Numerous high earners remain broke as they have income without assets. Wealthy individuals generate income that operates independently from them. Wealthy individuals prioritize paying themselves first. Many people earn, then spend, and finally save. Wealthy individuals earn, invest, and spend what remains. They view investing as an essential expense. This practice effectively differentiates wealth builders from those living paycheck to paycheck. Rich individuals invest in knowledge and skills, unlike those who purchase liabilities. Wealthy people dedicate resources to learning, mentorship, and self-growth. Skills enhance your market value, but money can be easily lost. Affluent individuals have a unique understanding of risk. They don't query, what if I lose money? Instead, they ponder, what if I waste time by not taking action? They embrace small, calculated risks. Comfort results in average outcomes, while thoughtful risks lead to new opportunities. Rich people regard time as more valuable than money. While money can be earned again, time is irreplaceable. They consider, can this be automated? Or, can this scale? They implement systems, utilize teams, and leverage AI tools. If your income ceases when you stop working, you're essentially trading your life for money. Wealthy individuals rely on compounding rather than seeking quick rewards. A poor mindset craves immediate results, while rich individuals believe in steady, consistent efforts over time. Initial outcomes may be slow, but they can ultimately yield explosive results. Wealth often grows quietly until it becomes undeniable. Rich individuals maintain control over their emotions surrounding money. Feelings of fear, greed, and ego can undermine wealth. They remain calm during downturns and do not pursue trends impulsively. Money favors patience over frantic actions. Most people don't adopt the wealthy mindset because it feels uncomfortable. Embracing the wealthy mindset requires discipline, delayed gratification, and a long-term outlook. Many opt for comfort today, sacrificing future freedom. The rich choose to endure misunderstanding today for a more liberated tomorrow. Wealthy individuals are not inherently smarter or luckier. They simply approach money differently. They view money as a tool, engage in long-term thinking, build valuable assets, prioritize time, and manage their emotions. By shifting your mindset about money, you will witness a change in how money behaves in your life. If this video has enriched your perspective, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Money Hub 360. Expect more insights on money psychology, AI strategies for income, investing attitudes, and achieving true financial freedom. Remember, understanding how the wealthy think will lead to wealth following you.